Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max Class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates. Inverse tangent function or arc tangent function. Arc tangent function, which is also denoted by tan inverse, To understand the definition of inverse tangent function, it is good to have knowledge of functions chapter. You must know the definition of bijective function and the definition of inverse of a function. However, I'll explain those things here. Let's start the definition of inverse tangent function. You observe tan is from open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to r is a bijective function. Actually, what is the domain and range of tan function? Tan is a function whose domain is all real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. This is what we learn in trigonometry chapter. Tan is a function whose domain is set of all real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2 and whose range is set of all real numbers. Tan is a function, you observe here, the domain of tan is what? All real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. But here tan starts from open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So here we need to think two things. First one, why tan is from open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to r is bijective function. Second one, why this tan function, you observe here, tan function domain is reduced to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Have patience, listen carefully, you can understand this easily. Now, first I'll discuss that why this function is a bijective function. Why a function is bijective function? In inverse tangent function, why this bijective function definition came? Why a function must be bijective in this chapter? Here in functions chapter we learn one theorem. The theorem is, if a function is bijective, if and only if inverse exists. Try to understand, it is if and only if condition. If a function is bijective, then its inverse exists. If inverse exists, then it is bijective. That means inverse of a tangent function exists only when tan is bijective function. If tan is not bijective, then inverse tangent function does not exist. If inverse tangent function does not exist, then there is no question of inverse tangent function. Try to understand. Actually, the domain is set of all real numbers minus odd multiples of pi by 2. Why? When the domain is like this, why it is not bijective function, we will think. Now, I want to check bijective of bijective, tan is bijective or not. I want to check tan function when its domain is set of all real numbers minus odd multiples of pi by 2, whether it is bijective or not, I want to check. Now I'll take two real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. I'll take 0 and I'll take pi. 0 and pi both are there in the domain of tan function. What is tan 0? Tan 0 value is 0. What is tan pi? Tan pi value is also 0. Actually, different values 0 comma pi are different. Different values are having same image 0. So it fails the condition of 1-1 function. What is definition of 1-1 function? Different elements in the domain must have different images. But here different elements 0 comma pi have same image 0. So tan is not 1-1 function. So what? If tan is not 1-1 function, we can decide that tan is not bijective. What is bijective function? A function which is both 1-1 and onto. Both, it must be 1-1 as well as onto. But here this function is not 1-1. If this function is not 1-1, then clearly we can say that it is not bijective. So if this function is not bisective, inverse of a tangent function does not exist. That's why we reduced domain of tan function to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Now the question is, in this interval the tan function is bisective. Let's check here in this interval the tan function is bisective or not. I want to draw the graph of tan function in the interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. See, in the interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, I want to draw the graph. We know that at pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 the tan function is not defined at pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. If we draw the graph of tan function, approximately it comes like this. This is the graph of tan function in between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. By seeing this graph, we can say that whether it is bisective function or not. See, if we draw horizontal line to this curve, that horizontal line cuts the curve at only one point, we can say that the function is one function. You observe here in the interval, open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, if we draw the horizontal line to the graph, draw one horizontal line, it cuts the curve at only one point. So we can say that this function is one function, onto function. It is a onto function or not. It is also easy to check. What is onto function? For every element in codomain set, there exists at least one pre-image. If we take, suppose you take for particular y value, respect to x value definitely exists. You take anywhere particular, suppose this, for this particular y value, x value will exist here. It indicates that for every element in codomain set, there exists at least one pre-image. So if we reduce domain of tan function to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, then tan is a bisective function. Why tan must be bisective? If it is bisective, then only inverse tangent function exists. Otherwise, there is no question of inverse trigonometric functions chapter. So this is the reason tan function domain is reduced to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Now we will continue the definition. If the function is bisective function, then the function tan inverse from where to where? Set of all real numbers to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 is defined by. How it is defined? I will discuss. Before that, from the definition of inverse of a function, if f from a to b is a bisective function, then its inverse is defined from b to a. Try to understand, from the definition of inverse of a function, if f from a to b is a bisective function, f inverse is defined from b to a. That's why if tan from open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to r is a bisective function, then its inverse, tan inverse, is a function from set of all real numbers to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, and it is defined by, let's see how it is defined. You please observe here how the function is defined. It is defined by tan inverse x is equals to theta. Tan inverse x equals to theta if and only if x equals to tan theta. Please try to understand, this is the most important part of the definition. How this tan inverse function is defined? Tan inverse x equals to theta if and only if x equals to tan theta. You observe here, while solving the problem, if we saw anywhere tan inverse x equals to theta, we can write x equals to tan theta. At the same way, while solving the problem, if we saw x equals to tan theta, we can write theta equals to tan inverse x. Is called inverse tangent function. Let me revise the definition quickly. If there is a function tan from open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 to r is a bisective function. If this is a bisective function, then there exists a function tan inverse from set of all real numbers to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2 is defined by. How it is defined? Tan inverse of x equals to theta if and only if x equals to tan theta is called inverse tangent function. Now, in this definition, there are 5 points which we need to remember. Now, we will go through those 5 points. Point number 1. You observe tan inverse Tan inverse is a function from where to where? Set of all real numbers to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. That's why domain of tan inverse is set of all real numbers and range of tan inverse is open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Second point. This point we discussed in inverse sine function as well as inverse cosine function. That's why I want to discuss same type of point here. That point is tan inverse of 3. Tan inverse of 3 is defined or not? Tan inverse of 3 is defined or not? Yes, it is defined. Why we are saying tan inverse 3 is defined? Because 3 is a number which is in the domain of tan inverse. What is domain of tan inverse? Set of all real numbers. Is 3 is a real number? Yes, that's why tan inverse 3 is defined. Now, third point. See, in the definition of inverse tangent function, how it is defined? You observe this blue color box. In this, two things are there. One is x, another one is theta. X is what? X is always belongs to domain of this function. Whenever we saw x in this tan inverse, x is a real number. And theta is what? Theta belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Next, fourth point. Principal value of tan inverse lies in open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. This point is very useful while calculating problems of principal value problems. So you remember this point. Principal value of tan inverse lies in open interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Now fifth point. The students may confuse that tan inverse x equal to 1 by tan x. Actually, tan inverse x is not equals to 1 by tan x. Tan inverse x is different and 1 by tan x is different. Tan inverse x is not equals to 1 by tan x. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please press like button below. Share this video with your friends. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.